Hey everyone, and welcome. Are you ready to learn some awesome new English words today? We're going to follow a whole day, from morning till we get to school, and pick up all the important action words as we go. Let's jump right in.
Okay, first up, the morning. This is where it all begins. What are the first things we do right after we open our eyes? Let's find out the English words for them.
So take a look at this. We've got our morning broken down into 3 simple pictures. In that first one, you can see the sun is shining and someone's just opening their eyes in bed. Then, in the second one, they're stretching out their arms. And finally, in the third, they're all dressed and checking themselves out in the mirror. This is pretty much how we all start our day, right?
Okay, let's zoom in on that first picture. What is he doing? He's in bed, the sun is up, his eyes are open. Have you got a guess? What do we call that action?
That's right, he is waking up. The word is wake up. Let's say it together. Ready? Wake up. One more time. Wake up. Excellent. A great sentence is, I wake up early in the morning.
All right, moving on to the next picture. See that girl right in the middle? After waking up, she's doing something with her arms. What is it?
She's having a big stretch. Yes, you know that feeling when you stretch to get all the sleepiness out? That's it. Let's all say it. Stretch. You could say, I stand up and stretch. Feels good just saying it.
And for our last picture in this morning routine, the man is looking in the mirror. He's got his uniform on, so what's he up to? You got it. He's getting ready. When you get ready, it just means you're preparing for whatever's next. In this case, he's getting ready for work. So to recap our morning, we have wake up, stretch, and get ready. Awesome.
Okay, so we're all washed, we're dressed, and we are officially ready for the day. Now it's time to actually leave the house. Let's learn the action words for when we're on the move to school. Now this shows us on our way to school. Over on the left, you can see some students at a crosswalk, and on the right, well, they've made it to the classroom, and they are ready to learn.
Let's look closely at that picture on the left. They're standing by the traffic light. Now, the light is red, which means they can't cross the street yet. So, what action are they doing right now?
They have to wait. That's our word. Wait. It just means you stop and stay put until it's time to go. You have to wait for the light to turn green before you can cross. Let's say it. Wait.
And we've made it. We are in the classroom. This is where the real fun starts. Let's find out what kind of action words we use when it's time for learning.
This shows 3 super simple steps for learning English. I want you to think of these like gears in your brain, all working together. Okay, so first, we look. Then, we listen. And finally, we speak. Look, listen, speak. Got it? Great.
Wow, you have learned so many new words already. So, are you ready for a quick challenge? It's practice time. We're going to start with some opposites. This is going to be fun.
Okay, first up is stand up. What is the opposite of standing up? Think about it. What do you do when you get to your chair?
Did you figure it out? The opposite of stand up is sit down. Awesome job. So we have stand up and sit down. Perfect opposites.
Ready for another one? Let's go. The action is open. What's the opposite of open?
And the answer is close. Of course. You open your book and then you close your book. Let's say them both out loud. Open, close. You guys are doing fantastic. Okay, now for the really fun part. Let's practice speaking like you're actually in a classroom. I want you to say this with me nice and loud. Ready? Open your notebook.
That was perfect. Let's do one more. Imagine your teacher asks you to do this. Say it just like I do. Write the word. Wow, you're sounding great.
What an amazing day of learning this has been. We've covered a ton of action words. So before we finish up, let's do a super fast, rapid-fire review to make sure all these words really stick.
Okay, here we go. All the words we learned today. I'll say the word, you repeat it right after me. Let's do this. Wake up, stretch, get ready, wait, go, sit down, stand up, open, close, write. Incredible! You got every single one.
You did such an incredible job today. Seriously. Now, the best way to remember new words is to use them. So, I've got one last question for you. What new action will you do today using your new English vocabulary? Have an amazing time practicing, and I can't wait to see you next time.